everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your Disney Plus account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser. Type in disneyplus.com in the search box and search. If you're logged into your Disney Plus account and you'd like to log out of it or find a way to log out of it, then the process is quite easy. From the main homepage of Disney Plus, go to the upper right hand corner and mouse over to your profile avatar. In the expanded pop-up, you will be able to see the logout option. Click on Logout and then you will be redirected to the main homepage for Disney Plus. Before logging out of your account, make sure that you remember your credentials to log in back to your account again. So that is how you can easily log out of your Disney Plus account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.